Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, AUDUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we are up. So yes, looks like we will continue the uptrend. This is a new high pullback and we are forming a blue candle. So let's get back. The trend is up in weekly, coming back to daily chart. So this low is not broken yet. Okay, so this, we could have two possibilities. This is the start of a new downtrend. Pullback, we go down. Otherwise, we take a pullback, rejection from the EMA, we go up. So coming back to 4 hour. Okay, so this is your pullback, I would say. You see, this was a long uptrend from here till here. This is your long uptrend. Okay, so we had to take a pullback, and this pullback could be until 61%. So the price might fall below the EMA in 4 hour. Okay, so I guess if we talk about price action only, so this is your uptrend. Pullback has to happen. That's the need of the hour. After the pullback, engulfing blue candle, and then we go long. Okay, so coming back to daily chart again here. In daily, you see this previous high is broken by this candle. So I am still for long. Okay, so I think we will continue the uptrend after the rejection from the EMA. Okay, so looks like in daily chart this previous high is broken by this candle. So new high, pullback, engulfing blue candle, and then we'll go up. Okay, time will tell, but be ready for two possibilities. This could be the downtrend, pullback, then again down. For that, you have to wait for the price to close below the EMA. So the red candle has to close below the EMA to go down. Otherwise, if it gets rejection from the EMA in daily chart and then engulfing blue candle, then we go long. That's it. So use this analysis for nzdusd as well. Subscribe, like blah blah blah. Check out the links we discussed in the beginning. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.